In this guide, I'll show you how to adjust the screen size and the best video settings for your Nintendo Switch. So the first thing you want to do is go to System Settings in the bottom right. Then on the left sidebar, scroll all the way down, and we're going to go to TV Settings and scroll over to the right. Now, when it comes to TV resolution, most TVs within the past decade do go up to 1080p, so you can either turn it to 1080p or automatic, because the Switch does a good job of selecting the best resolution for your setup. Now, when it comes to RGB range, I recommend you use automatic unless you know for a fact that your TV or monitor supports full range, because if you turn it to full range, this will crush the blacks on your screen. So we're going to go back, and when it comes to adjust screen size, this is a good way to ensure that you don't have black borders on your screen. So what you want to do is ensure that it fits properly where these arrows match up to your screen size. And in addition to that, if you're still seeing black borders on your TV, this likely has to do with the settings on your TV where you're going to have to adjust the aspect ratio. Now, as far as these other settings go, they're mostly just personal preference. So have a look through, but at this point, your video settings are now perfect for your setup, and you're now ready to play your Switch. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.